Okay, ICD-10 JJ-10B guidelines 049 as a page, and the part is 4. And we're still doing format and structure, right? Continue, right?
Yes, yes. Codes that have applicable seventh characters are still referred to as codes, not subcategories.
Right. If there is a 7th character, that's referred to as a code, not a subcategory, but a code. Okay. A code that has an applicable 7th character is considered invalid without a 7th character. If this code needs a 7th character, you always have to put it. You cannot ignore it. That's what they're saying, right? Now, the next one is?
The ICD-10 CM uses an indented format for ease in reference.
Yeah, to make it easy to reference which ones are subcategories, there's an indentation. You see diabetes here, and after with there's an indentation, means it's moved a little bit to the right? And when there is another moving to the right here, you see complication, and then just a little moving to the right, that's called indentation. And that's what they use so you can visually see all the subcategories, right? So this is our theory for today. Now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. All right, ICD-10 JJ-10A. This is page 364, exercise 14, and it's a level 1 exercise, and it reads like this.
Bilateral talipes equinovarus congenital.
Bilateral talipes equinovarus. Now, talipes equinovarus is a defect of the feet. Okay, so talipes equinovarus, and it's congenital. It means that the person had it when the person was born, right? So bilateral talipes equinovarus congenital. That's our diagnosis. Now we're going to count to 3 so you can give us the ICD-10 code for this diagnosis. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is Q66.0. Okay, that's the answer. If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's just give you a tip. Well, the tip that we have is that you
start with equinovarus.
And then you also ignore
bilateral.
Yeah, don't start looking for bilateral because you won't find it. You won't find it in the index, and you won't find it in the tabular, right? So just when they ignore by default bilateral or just unilateral, it's the same code. Okay, so you just ignore bilateral. In this case, ICD-10 CM doesn't consider any difference between bilateral and unilateral. Okay, so that's our tip. Now with this tip, you should be able to get to the answer. Oh, you know the answer already. The answer is Q66.0, but we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path to the answer, how we got to the answer step by step, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the summary of the problem is like this. Bilateral means both sides. Talipes equinovarus congenital. All right, that is the diagnosis. Now, there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, you go to index.
You go to the index.
Then you go to equinovarus.
You start with equinovarus, and in parentheses, you find what?
Congenital.
Congenital and?
Talipes.
You're in luck because you found 2 of the words that you need, right? Congenital and talipes. And after that, there is a code. What's the code?
The code is Q66.0.
So we almost have a definite answer here, but we have to confirm it in tabular, right? So we go to the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to Q66.
Which are the 3 first characters. You always start with the 3 first characters. And Q66 is what?
Congenital deformities of feet.
Which is what we told you that a talipes equinovarus is a deformity of the foot. So it's congenital deformities of the feet. So we're in the right path. So we add one more character, which is?
That is 0.
0.0, right? And what is that?
Congenital talipes equinovarus.
Equinovarus, congenital talipes equinovarus. And we look just down and up just in case that there is an extra code for bilateral and we don't find it. So since we don't find it, then we must assume that this is the right one. So that's why we have an equal sign, and that means that we have a double check with the tabular. So the answer is Q66.0. Sorry. Okay. So don't forget to visit our website, and
Also, you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
right in the subscribe button that is in red, this is subscribe. You just click there and you'll be subscribed to our videos. And what did I get?
You will get up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.